Hi everyone, I'm Jumark P. Isigura from Automotive 1A, and this video is all about CWTS2. Goal of NSTP: the, trans- the transformation of youth into responsible citizens who embody the values of being God-fearing, patriotic, human, and environmentally conscious, fostering both local and national development. Vision: in alignment with SLSU commitment to excellence, innovation, and societal transformation, the NSTP office shall be a leading center of civic consciousness and defense preparedness, promoting service, patriotism, and community development among the youth. Mission: the SLSU NSTP office shall be develop well-rounded, socially responsible, and patriotic individuals through comprehensive training programs that enhance civic consciousness, defense preparedness, and active participation in community service and public affairs. The SLC NSTP is committed to promoting the physical, moral, spiritual, intellectual, and social well-being of students while instilling the values of patriotism, nationalism, and voluntarism. Cultivate a deep sense of civic consciousness and patriotism among students. Enhance student engagement in community service and development projects. Prepare students for national defense and emergency preparedness. Develop a well-trained, organized, and motivated pool of individuals, equip in students with skills and knowledge for lifelong learning, critical thinking, and active participation in national development. For civic welfare training service, engage students in projects that enhance community welfare, focusing on health, education, environment, entrepreneurship, safety, recreation, and social services. Apply the academic knowledge to real-world community challenges, fostering practical skills and civic responsibility. Build partnership with local organizations and communities to identify needs and implement impactful projects. Grading system. NSTP grades are numerical based from the approved numerical ratings of the university. NSTP is not included in the computation of general weight average GWA. Students who fail to complete the program's 6 units shall not be allowed to graduate. 3 consecutive absences without valid reason are subject for drop or failed. Components in the computation of NSTP-CWTS rating per semester are as follow. Portfolio's systematic collection of student work at represent student activities, accomplishments, and achievements over a specific period of time in one or more areas of the curriculum. Rules and regulations. Attendance will be conducted from 7 a.m. to 7:15 a.m. Taking pictures is not allowed. The instructors will provide PowerPoint presentation. The use of cell phones during lectures is prohibited. Violators will have their phones confiscated. Students who are late for 20 minutes will have their ID confiscated. No one is allowed to walk around or have snacks while the instructor is discussing, unless it's an emergency or going to the restroom. We will have a designated break time. Each topic will be assigned to a designated instructor. Different activities will also be conducted in coordination with other agencies to enhance learning and student participation. Class attendance. All students are obliged to attend the class regularly. Due to illness or some other valid reason, students may be excused from the class provided that they can present a medical certificate of appearance issued by a physician or concerned authority, respectively. Any students who accumulate three unexcused absences from the class must obtain an excuse leave from the guidance counseling office. OSAS to be present to the instructor upon assumption to class. CWTS 3 hours equals to 2 meetings per Saturday.